guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm explaining how to log in your Skype accounts. So I hope this video is totally helpful. So please subscribe our channel and hit the like button. So guys, this is Microsoft account sign in continue to Skype. So I'm just copy in my email address. Okay, just copy and paste, and my email address. Okay, I'm typing my password. Okay, sign in and wait for loading and log in Skype account. So guys, told again, and please subscribe our channel and like this video. So this is add-on image. I'm not now, and Skype account others, so sharing, click no. Okay, this is my Skype account. Welcome to your Islam Akash. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe our channel. So goodbye.